If you're wondering how much the Gamma app costs per month, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check Gamma's monthly pricing, how to find the upgrade area inside your account, and how to compare the different plans so you can choose the one that fits your needs. This is especially useful if you're thinking about using Gamma for presentations, documents, or AI-powered content creation and want to know which option gives you the best value. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the left panel. You should see an option that says Upgrade or something very similar, which is where Gamma highlights its premium features. Click on that upgrade option to open the pricing page. After you click it, Gamma will show you the available plans. This is where you can see what each plan includes and how much it costs per month. Take your time and review each option carefully because the exact value depends on what you need. For example, one plan may be better if you only need basic AI features, while another plan may be better if you want more advanced tools, more usage, or extra customization. As you look through the plans, pay attention to the benefits listed under each one. Gamma usually explains what's included, such as access to more AI features, higher limits, or additional productivity tools. This step is important because the cheapest plan is not always the best choice if you need more functionality. On the other hand, if you only need occasional use, a lower tier plan might be enough and can save you money each month. A good tip is to compare the monthly cost against the features you'll actually use. That way, you're not paying for extras you don't need. If you're using Gamma for business, school, or content creation, it may be worth choosing the plan that gives you the most flexibility. If you're just testing the platform, you can start with the plan that offers the essentials and upgrade later if needed. Once you've reviewed the plans and found the one that fits your budget and workflow, you can continue with the upgrade process directly from that page. And that's it. Now you know how to check how much Gamma costs per month and how to compare the available plans inside your account. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.